So I'm not too sure what other colors that this happens to come in. I can tell you that this is definitely beige and a rose gold, which I personally am not really a fan of rose gold, but I mean, whatever, to each their own. You can compare it. My microwave is white, this is beige. So this has a bake air fry, which is this one setting, an air fry and dried fruit. It has temperatures going all the way up to 450, and it has a timer that goes up to an hour. The power indicator, I just want to show you that it did come with this. It comes with the crumb tray, the one on the bottom. And right now, I did put some jalapeno poppers in there. Jalapeno poppers. And that is the tray that it came with. It does come with very good and detailed instructions. I mean, it was pretty easy. I popped it out of the box and plugged the bad boy in. So here's what it is. I will post pictures of how it comes out after. But again, this is more of like a pink, like in person, it's like so pink. But this color may not be for everyone. Who knows? Maybe they have it in black. Maybe they have it in all silver. I'm not really sure, but I can tell you that it is very nice. And it's nice.
It did cook it super fast and wow.
So good. Baking sheet, converter tray, and air fryer lid.